Glister toothpaste is an Amway toothpaste brand that claims to deliver a number of oral health benefits. The following are some of the claimed benefits of using Glister toothpaste. 1. Whitening. Glister toothpaste has a polishing agent combination that can help remove surface stains from your teeth, making them appear brighter and whiter. 2. Fresh breath. The toothpaste has a mint flavor that helps to freshen your breath, leaving your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. 3. Plaque prevention. Glister toothpaste contains a fluoride and baking soda blend that can help reduce the growth of plaque on your teeth, which can contribute to tooth decay and gum disease. 4. Enamel protection. Glister toothpaste contains fluoride, which can help strengthen and maintain tooth enamel, which is the hard outer coating of your teeth. This can aid in the prevention of cavities and sensitivity. 5. Tartar control. Pyrophosphate, a component in the toothpaste, can help prevent tartar buildup on your teeth. Tartar is a hard, yellowish material that accumulates over time as plaque hardens. 6. Gentle formula. Glister toothpaste is soft enough to use on a daily basis and is free of harsh abrasives that can harm tooth enamel. Overall, using Glister toothpaste as part of your daily oral hygiene practice can help maintain the health of your teeth and gums, prevent cavities, and leave your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. Individual results can vary, and it's usually a good idea to contact a dentist if you have any special concerns about your oral health.